Hi, this is Mike Hendrickson from Strata Hadoop World in Singapore. I'm here with David Boloker. David, how you doing?
Doing well.
So, IBM Asia Pacific. Is there anything unique about this market, or is this just another IBM worldwide event for you?
So this market is actually very unique as compared to Europe or the States. Customer needs are very different. There's more outward touch in a lot of cases than there is anywhere else in the States. The good thing about coming to the conference in Singapore has been I get to actually touch customers that I've talked to on the phone, and vice versa. They've actually come and touched and talked to me. Flip side of this is I'm actually now talking to a whole bunch of new prospective customers who are very interested in a lot of the technologies that we've been talking about, whether it be Spark or basically notebook related.
Is this a little bit heavier in IoT as well?
Well, in our case, it's very heavy in IoT since we've been. That's been one of the draws to the booth is, what are you doing with a TI board, for example, or what are you doing with this little robotic ball? Okay, some of them actually were commenting on what you and I talked about a few weeks ago, which is, did you bring your drone so you could fly it? And they're all very interested in IoT. Some of them are actually more interested in the data coming from the devices. And this is really where I started talking to them about, think about if you're a weather service and the data's coming in, from each of the weather stations, every second you're getting a new piece of data, whether it be temperature, humidity, etc. And then they said, well, how are you going to build the models based on this? And I said, that's exactly the issues. How are you going to do this with such a huge data flow? Where are you going to store the information? How is it going to work? Clearly it's going to be cloud related because that's really where you're going to start focusing a lot of this on.
Excellent. So, David, how has this event been for you so far?
So this event actually has been excellent on so many different levels. First of all, as I said, the touch points with new folks. The other side of it is Singapore has brought a lot of people in from all over Asia, okay? And that actually is very, very different than we've seen in other events. It's not only brought folks in, clearly Singapore, but China, Australia, etc. First of all, you're getting the blending of concepts and ideas from all these different customers. And the other side of it is you're starting to see some things, common things amongst all the customers. And it's been very, very, very valuable.
Excellent. So, are we going to see you here next year?
I hope so.
If you recover from your wine trip to Australia?
Sure.
Yeah. Excellent, David. Thank you very much.